Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone doing today? And welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a smackalicious day. Today, I'll be making my grandmother's jelly cake. She would make this cake for holidays. The first time I had it, I was like, dang, Grandma don't have no icing to put on the cake. She had to use jelly. But baby, I tell you, that was the best cake I ever had. It is very simple to make. Let's get started. In my bowl, I have 2.5 cups of sugar, 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix well. Blend in your first stick of butter. Now blend in your second stick of butter. Here I'm adding my 5 eggs, one at a time, beating each one in well before adding the next. Here you want to add 1 cup of milk slowly and then add your flavoring. Once all ingredients are blended, pour mixture into cake pans. Bake at 325 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until the layers are golden around the edges. Allow layers to cool in pan, then turn out onto a cooling rack. Make a simple syrup to put on each layer of cake before putting on the jelly. Sorry, I lost the footage of me doing that. Smackalicious. And there you have it, my grandmother's jelly cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a blessed and smackalicious day. Bye, my smackalilies. Bye.